How to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to help you with how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat support. Then you will see Snapchat support, and if you scroll below, you will see my account is locked. Tap onto that. Here, scroll below and you can directly jump to a section that says My account has been permanently locked. If your account has been temporarily locked, then jump into second option. Then you will see this helpline. Tap on Contact our support team here link. Then here tap on I think my account was compromised. Here, scroll at the bottom of the page and just type in your username. Once you do so, type in your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. Type in your phone number and type in the description of your problem. You can type in that your account has been locked and you would like to unlock your account because you have been using Snapchat for a long time and you have not violated any terms and conditions of Snapchat. As you do so, tap on submit. Then all you have to do is wait for the Snapchat support team to contact you back, and that is how you can fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.